Right, so Pickbeard Challenge number 4. I've already done challenge 1 and 2, and this is number 4 here. It's the next one I've got. I'll just show you there, key works, and that's the bitting of it there. So quite a few ups and downs, bit of high-low, and we'll see how we get on. Just fix that so it doesn't get in the way of the tension wrench. So again, I'm using my my custom tension wrench, and really light tension. And I'll go at this with a sparrow short hook. So start from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 there. Nothing. 4, 3. Not getting a few clicks here, but I'm not getting any sort of a quick false set. Just try and feel there for the pins, maybe giving a bit of feedback. And I think that's pin 5 at the back there. No, I think it's unset itself, so it's not ready to go just yet. In fact, I think the issue is I'm not able to push it deep enough. I use this here, it's a bit of a deeper hook. Come in from the back, pin 5. So it's one I can feel giving me feedback. Hopefully that's set it there. A bit of feedback in 3. Come towards the front, so 1, 2. Just wee clicks into place. 3. Oh, bit of movement in the core. And let's see. There we go, pin 4. And that was the last one it took there to get it. So take this out. Move out of the way. I'll get my pliers. Turn this around and I'll remove the circlip. I should mention, actually I've already picked this once before, but the video was a wee bit long, so I'll read on it and see where follower is. There's my follower there. So key pins are that way up. That's there. And then there's the follower. Set it there. I'll see if I can bring you in a bit closer here for just to see what's going on. Let me just set that there while I fix the camera. Right, so I'll dump these out and then I'll take in at the end to have a look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is no modifications to this. It's all completely smooth. I'll put that back and then we'll go here, get my tweezers and start removing these driver pins. So pin 1, and pin 1 is a spool. Pin 2, and it is standard. Pin 3, that's another standard. Pin 4, it's another standard. And pin 5, there we go, pin 5 is a spool. and then again, there's no additional milling or anything on the inside of this. It's just as it is. Well, in fact, there is one minor difference, and that is the last time I picked it, this was in it. But I think it's a piece of the spring's just broken. So I removed it, and there's just a bit of a shorter spring in there, so might change the feel up a wee bit, but I'll have to contact them and see if that's supposed to be in it or not. There we go. So there's the pins all there. So driver pin 1 and driver pin 5 are spills. Everything else is standard. Thanks very much. Bye.